Hey everybody, it's Allie and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing, I guess, like a first impressions review on Jeffree Star's new nude collection. Say what you want, but I will not be saying what it's actually called for reasons. But either way, I did get a few things from this collection. I know a lot of people were like underwhelmed because he's known for crazy colors and obviously being quite controversial. And again, I am keeping this just strictly based off of the makeup. I am not getting into any of the drama or anything like that. But he did release a nude collection. So I was excited for it because I feel like as basic as it is, basic is sometimes necessary, guys. So this is the collection. This is a big palette, and now these are all mattes, I believe, but you could see the wide range of nudes and stuff like that. And I got the mini one. I believe there are some like controversies or drama behind it. I believe the company did address it, but I haven't tried this out, so let's see how mine is, if I can get it out. So this is the mini one, and these I believe are toppers from my understanding, but they're more like glittery and shimmery. So yeah, I did get a couple of other things from the collection. I got the luminous setting powder in translucent. I actually own his original setting powder in translucent, and I love it. I absolutely love the formula. And this is the luminous version. So I've been into more of like the glowy and type of things like that lately. I thought, why not get this? And then I did also get two glosses. I only own two other glosses by Jeffree Star Cosmetics, and I actually really like them. And I got Tabletop and Body Count. So we'll be trying that out today as well. I'm going to be prepping my eyes with my Pretty Vulgar Uncaged eyeshadow primer. So obviously we are going for a nude look today. Kept it in all like the neutral, natural tones. All right, so let's get started. Let that primer set a little bit. I'm going to be just trying it out. Let me give you some information. The Luminous Magic Star setting powder is $22 and the glosses were $18 each. $78 for both together as a bundle, and $62 for the large one individually, and $28 for the mini individually. So I got the bundle, I got the glosses. That's what I got, and let's get started. I'm going to start off with the big one full of mattes. Again, people were like very underwhelmed by it, but I was like, guys, I don't know. These are the colors that you look for, but whatever. And it does come with a mirror too. So I like that. It's like a nice size mirror. I haven't even looked at the names of the shades. Something tells me I may have to just not say what the colors are, but we'll see. Let me zoom you guys in a little bit. Hey guys. Starting out, I'm going to go into the crease. I'm going to take Sigma E25 brush, probably this one, which is top, or bottom. Let's start off with top. I personally do like the formula of his shadows. So I wanted to see what this one was like, because I do like his other palettes that I own. And honestly, this one was like speaking my language, because the other ones are more bold and colorful, and that's fun. But I try to even do like nude looks with like pops of color here and there. But I tend to, I think as most do, just stick to the nudes. I don't know. That went on really nicely. That's like a nice warm orangey brown. Body Chills is this one, and that's kind of like a grayish, like a cool tone brown. And I'm gonna go in right under that, like into the crease right underneath. I feel like that kind of matches my shirt perfectly, so I like that. And I'm not using a lot of pressure. That's one thing. I feel like his formula is really actually very, very nice. I don't find myself having to layer a lot or add like a ton of product or pressure. I feel like it does actually just blend out nicely and is very pigmented. Now I'm going to take my Crown brush. It's their oval shadow brush. Let's go ahead and put like a brighter tone. This one, which is called Gender Fluid, right here. And just put that all over the lid. I'm just trying to use like as many different colors as possible, but not go too crazy. But that's really beautiful. I love the vibe, the tones. So let's just put that on the lid. Like that's, I just dipped it once, lightly tapped it, and look, it came on, kept the brightness over top that darker top color. I'm going to put another layer of that, but that's beautiful. I love this. Like, I want to just kind of stop right here, but to show you guys a little bit more, I will do a little bit more, but normally I think I would just stop right here. Okay, so I'm going to put a lighter color on top in the inner corner and maybe a little darker tone on the outer corner. So implant, I'm going to go and put just right under my brow bone, and I'm going to go in with I'm Shy, which is the lightest color, and put that in the inner corner. Now I'm going to play around with the mini palette too. So I just wanted to use this. So this is like a beautiful all matte nude and natural palette. And I'm liking that. I'm going to put a little bit of darkness on the outside. All right, taking that crown brush again, I'm going to go in with I'm Close, which is this one. And I'm going to put that right on just the outer corner, just a little bit, because I don't want to deepen it too much, but these are pigmented, so let's see. I'm gonna just like tap it. This brush might be too big. Yeah, I'm gonna go in with like a pencil brush and kind of detail it a little bit more so it's even. And I'm gonna put that on my lower lash line. I really should just use a pencil brush. Let me use a pencil brush. Very, very pretty. I do like the colors. I really like the formula. Even though people were like, oh, it's just like a nude palette. Well, like, yeah, it's a nude palette. I feel like you can create lots of different looks, even though they're just like nude tones. So this was obviously an all matte look. I would like to stop right here, but I'm gonna go ahead and show you what the mini palette, how it works. So I'm gonna take this by Luxie. It's the Precision Crease, but it's like a flat brush, so I'm gonna use that. Let's go in with a little gagging right here. This comes with a little mirror as well. So we're putting gagging right here on the inner one. So I know people were saying that maybe like it wasn't really pigmented enough, and I feel like I get what they're saying because I'm putting on like a couple of layers now, and I see like a little shimmer, but like not much is going on here. I'm gonna try it out with my fingers and see if it works better. So this is it. So you can see it's there, but struggling a little bit. So, okay, I definitely see it better with applying with my fingers. So I don't know if you can see. So that was with the finger. This is with the brush. So I'm going to just do that with my finger on the other side. Right there. Okay, I'm going to try to take a couple of other ones just to show you how the other ones work. I'm going to take, I guess, a little champagne drip. I want to try it with the brush one more time. And we'll do that in the middle. Okay, so champagne drip, I do see a little bit more than gagging. So I just put that in the middle of my lid. I probably will be more pigmented with my finger. Let's try again. But I feel like that's like, yeah, okay. And then I'm gonna take this one Foam Party over here and put that over top too. Again, we'll try it with the brush. Just put a little bit like in that corner, but I don't wanna make it too bright. Yeah, I think I like these. Let me use a different finger. Okay, no, it's there. Okay. This is really pretty. All right, so I see what people are saying that like it's not pigmented or anything like that as far as the mini one goes. I guess depending on how you apply it. I definitely, just with this one that I've used, obviously I haven't used all of them, but just with that one, huge difference using my fingers versus using a brush. I don't know if that's something that they addressed on like how to apply it and things like that, but I have to be honest, I'm not mad at it, guys. I really am not. Like, I feel like this is such a pretty look. Very simple, but you can like dress it up, dress it down, things like that. I'll go a little closer. I feel like the mattes applied beautifully. The toppers, you had to work for them a little bit. Let me see. I'm going to take this one. It's called Glass Wet. It's just a lighter one. I'm going to, again, go in with the brush, see how that works, and put it in the inner corner. Let's see. Nothing really happened with that. You just dig a little deeper. Yeah, that I can see is like kind of underwhelming if you're looking for like a really glittery moment. Let me see. Right there. Personally, I'm not going for like something crazy, so I'm, again, not mad at it, but I can see why people would not be happy with that. Let me clean that up a little bit. Now, let me clean that up and back it up a little. Let's just put mascara on. I'm not going to do liner today, I don't think. I'm liking this vibe that we have going on. All right, so I am in the middle of washing all my brushes, so I might have to use a blush brush for this. This is the translucent, the luminous translucent setting powder. I love the original one. I hope this has the same smell, which I know fragrance isn't good, but I think it does. Okay, I'm just gonna have to use a blush brush because that's what I have, and I'm gonna just set my face with that. Just like, oh, that's pretty. I'm gonna do this side to see. I'm just gonna put it all over. I normally do it for like under the eyes, but just wanna see what that looks like all over. I don't know, can you guys see a difference? I put it like right here and on this side. I don't know, maybe not, but I'm just gonna set my face with that. I feel so weird using a blush brush, but it works. Okay, so that's the powder. I think I'll like it. Okay. And lastly, let's try one of the glosses from this collection. On my lips right now, I have the Dulce Lip Liner by Alamar Cosmetics, and I have the Abu Dhabi NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream. Okay, so this is Tabletop. Pretty. And this is Body Count. Let's open that up and see which one I want to wear today. Yeah, I'm going to go in with Body Count. I just want to like a little lighter, and we'll try it out. Oh my God. So pretty. Oh, I love that. I really like the formula of the glosses as well. But as of right now, is like solely a first impressions, just off of the makeup. I really like this. Love this big palette so much. The little one I do like as toppers. I have to play around with the other shades and stuff like that. If you're looking for like a big, super glittery kind of situation, again, I have to play around with the other ones, but based off of the ones that I've used, you're not really gonna like it. And I felt that if you apply it with your finger, it will work better than using a brush. So that's that. But this large palette, I love this. I feel like a lot of times I reach for a palette that has like a brown and I'm like, oh, I wish it was slightly cooler, or I wish it was slightly darker or richer or warmer or whatever it may be. And I feel like with this, I will have those colors that I feel like I'm missing. Again, very basic, very neutral, but I feel like necessary. So really, really happy with this. Love the look. I like the powder. I like the gloss, and that's that. For me, I really like this new Nude collection by Jeffree Star based off of my first impressions. Let me know if you have it. Let me know what you think. Do you like it? Do you hate it? Do you refuse to buy it? Whatever it may be, but based off of just makeup, I'm very happy with this collection. I wish it had a different name. I wish it had different packaging. Either way, so I like it. I enjoyed it. So that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed this. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Be sure to subscribe if you aren't subscribed already. Ring the bell for notifications. Stay happy, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.